mix Bobbex concentrates for growth season application. The first step in using any Bobbex concentrate is to shake well. For application during summer and growth periods, Bobbex concentrate should be mixed at a ratio of 8 parts water to 1 part Bobbex. To make 1 gallon of repellent, first add 14 ounces of concentrate, about 1 3/4 cups, and then fill with water to the 1 gallon mark. Thoroughly shake the diluted mixture and then apply as instructed. It is important to use any diluted Bobbex within 5 days of mixing. Any diluted mixture not used after 5 days should be discarded. Any remaining Bobbex concentrate that has not been diluted should be stored in a cool, dark place. Bobbex, helping plants survive and thrive.